performance. What a lap. Congratulations. The gearbox is jammed. He can't change gear. He is going to be absolutely crestfallen. 20-year-old now making his way around the final turn onto the home straight. Where will this put him? Somewhere inside the top 8 perhaps. Across the line for Fabio. 10th for now, up 1 spot. Fabio Quartararo. Can he pull off a shock and find himself on the front row of the grid? Can he even do the unthinkable?
That's incredible, you know. Just when I see 36.8, I know, wow, that this is the big lap.
Only 5 thousandths away from the front row there, Fabio Quartararo. The Frenchman, he's got some decent references up ahead of him.
I was really on the limit, and well, I checked the television, I see P1, so okay, now we know that Marquez is a new tire.
As we need to be. Our eyes transfixed on this man, number 20, Fabio Quartararo. Perhaps unthinkable, but we are fighting for pole position. Awesome by Fabio Quartararo! We are sat next to the French commentary team here.
Was incredible to see P1 at the end of the practice. So yes, this track is amazing. It's my second pole position here. So yes, this one is the big one.
What a performance! What a lap! Fabio Quartararo, who made headlines yesterday. Such a big day for the Petronas Yamaha SRT team. 20-year-old Fabio Quartararo of France starts on pole. Lights out into main. Good start from Marquez from third. The perfect start also for Davizioso, who launches it up the hill. But surely it will be Marquez that gets the whole shot. It is.
The race was really good. I felt so good on the bike. Was amazing to ride with the top riders. I think all the race I see Marquez in front, so that's something that's really put good confidence for myself.
That was Morbidelli. He got it all out of shape on the brakes into the Pedrosa corner. He did really well actually to pull it down on the brakes there. Thought he was going to run well wide. With Fabio Quartararo snapping at his heels. Quartararo now up in a second place.
Small technical issue on the gear shifter, but yes, it's something really small, but that costs a lot.
Can't change up. He can't change gear. It's jammed in third. The gearbox is jammed. That is the bitterest of pills to swallow. And no wonder the emotions running high. You talk about the highs and lows of Grand Prix motorcycle racing. What, 24 hours ago that man had created history as the youngest ever pole setter in Motogp. Fast forward 24 hours and you see the flip side of that coin. Tears of despair from poor old Fabio Quartararo.
We let all the negatives here and the positive we bring at home. I think is nice.